here I also want to make you understand. So listen carefully. When weight of the object is greater than weight of the displaced water, weight of the object is more than the weight of the dispersed water, the object will sink. When the weight of the object will less than the weight of the displaced water, the object will float. Let's read this. Do this and find out. Do this experiment in groups of 4 friends. Each group will need a big pot filled with water and the things listed in the table. Put each things one by one in water and observe. Write your observation in the table given on the next page. This is the next page where your observation is written. Make tick for the things that float. Mark cross for those that sink. There are three headings: things to be put in water. These are the things that are written here, and here two headings are there. I guessed before I did it. What you guessed before you did, and I saw when I did it. So let's start the experiment. An empty bowl means katori. I guessed before I did it that it will float, and when I saw after experiment, it was floating. After putting in 6-7 small pebbles one by one, I thought it will sink, but I saw when I experiment, then I saw that it was also floating. Iron nail or pin, I thought it will sink, and I saw that it has become sank. Matchstick, I thought it will float, and it was floating. Empty plastic bottle with its lid closed, I thought it will float, and it was floating when I did the experiment. Bottle half filled with water, I thought it will also float, and it was floating, but it was half in the water. Bottle full of water, I was thinking it will float, but it did not. Aluminium foil from medicine packing. Open and spread out. When I open and spread the aluminium foil, I thought it will float, then it was floating, and I thought it will and after experiment I saw that it was floating. Pressed tightly into a ball. When I make a ball of this foil paper, it was also floating, but when I did, it was not. In a cap like shape, I thought, so it was floating, and when I did, it was floating. Soap cake, I thought it will not float, then it was, when I did, it was not floating. Soap cake in a small plate, plastic plate, I thought it will not, but it was floating. A piece of ice, I think it will float, and when I did the experiment, it was floating.